How to fix and solve WeChat app restricted account. To fix restricted WeChat account, the easiest solution is to contact WeChat customer support, explain the situation and appeal the restriction. Now, providing any support documentation if necessary. Most commonly, this involves verifying your identity through your linked phone number and ensuring you haven't violated WeChat's terms of services by engaging in activities like sending spam, inappropriate content, or using third-party plugins. Now, if you want to contact the support team, what you want to do is open up a browser, or if you are able to log in WeChat, then you could also do it from there. However, if you're not able to log in or if you're not able to access the WeChat, then what you could do is go to the website and you want to type in WeChat support, or you could just type in restricted account support. Once you go to this site here, you'll be able to find this sort of information. So you want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and you want to find WeChat, how do I unblock my account, or just tap on the link that appears. Right over here, you'll be able to see all of these statements. So what you could do is you could either send a feedback. So for that, what you could do is you could just tap on the search box and type in what sort of issue you're having, and they'll be providing you a list of information on what you have to do, and they'll also be providing you with the contact information if you have to support the customer support. So that way you'll be able to fix the issue. However, sometimes by following alternative steps, you could also try fixing your issue. So such alternative steps include updating your application. So for that, go to the Play Store, and then on the search box, what you want to do is type in WeChat. Once you type in WeChat, here you can see update, right? So if you press the update button, that should be able to fix it. So now go and log into your account or try logging in, see whether the issue has been solved or not. If the issue persists on, then what you could do is exit out of this page, long press the application, go to this app info section, go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache as well as clear storage. However, this is going to delete your data, but just go ahead and follow the steps and click the OK button, wait for a couple of seconds, try logging in and see whether the issue has been solved or not. If nothing seems to be working out, you could also go ahead uninstall the application, after which go ahead and restart your device. Once again, reinstall the application, try logging in. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix and solve WeChat account restriction. In some cases, temporary restriction can lift up to or lift after 30 or 7 days, or maybe 24 to 48 hours. So you could also wait and see whether the issue fixes or not. So these are some of the ways to solve WeChat app's restricted account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.